Good day, everyone. Your extremely cold sock monkey here. It is -2 degrees outside. It's 10 o'clock at night. I have to run to the store. And I moved the DeVille earlier. She was not happy about it. And we are about to move her again. Let's see how she goes. Key. We had power earlier, so she's not going to be happy about it, but my power steering pump is not happy right now. That's got to be either the power steering pump or the air conditioner. I know, there's no washer fluid. Yeah, I know. So there we have it, guys. It says it's 0 degrees outside.